Hey yo, welcome to my channel. So I grabbed my foundation, Fit Me Maybelline normal to dry foundation, and I'm using my sponge to just blend this all into my cheek. And I try not to get any foundation on my forehead, so I'm just gonna blend this all on my cheeks and a little underneath my eyes. And yo, you can see the coverage. Less is definitely more. I grabbed this pink blush and I'm going to blend this all on my cheek, and I'll do the same thing on the other side as well. So to brighten my dark eyes, I went in with a lighter shade, more like a highlighter underneath my eyes. Then I went in with my normal concealer all over my eyes, and to give my eyes that lifted look underneath my lips and every other areas that I normally conceal. So I'm just going to apply that there. And the reason why I went in is just to give my eyes a brighter look, so I had to go in with a lighter concealer there. So I'm contouring my nose like I normally do to just give my nose that snatched look. And yeah, I'm gonna be contouring my cheeks, and I'm taking this very high to give my face that snatch look. And I'm setting my face, and I'm going to let that sit before I go in to blend. And I'm using a sponge to blend everything all into my skin. I'm starting off with my contour, and I'm just tapping that and blending that all in and making sure everything is nice and we don't have any harsh lines. And then I'm going to use another sponge to tap and blend my concealer. Oh my god, that came out so wrong. I'm going to use a sponge to blend my concealer in. After blending with a sponge, I'm going to use this fluffy brush to just blend everything out and make sure everything looks nice. So I grabbed this blush palette from Who's That Girl, and I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks and on my nose as well. And I'm going to take this big brush and just blend everything out. To set my face, I got Black Opal in the shade 2, and I'm going to use this to set all over my face. For my eyes, I grabbed this new eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this brown and neutral shade. I'm going in with the darker shade on my eye crease, and I'm blending that out with this fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to take the light shade and dab that on my eyelids and blend that out. I took this angled brush, and I'm going to use this to create a fox look, and I'm just going to create a normal foxy eye look. So I took the fluffy brush and I'm going to smooth out the faulty eye. Then I took a shimmer shade from the palette and I'm just going to apply that in my inner corners to brighten my eyes a little. To fill my brows, I grabbed this eyebrow gel and I'm going to apply a little on this eyebrow brush and I'm going to use that to fill my brows. To clean up, I just dabbed my brush in a little concealer and I'm using this to clean up the edges and make sure my eyebrows are looking nice and clean. Now for my lips, I'm doing my regular old nude favorite lip combo and I'm just going to outline my lips. Then I applied concealer on my lips and I'm just gonna blend that out. And then I'll go in with my nude lipstick and I'll apply that all over my lips. I applied my favorite clear gloss and I applied that all over my lips, and after that I went in with a highlighter and I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, underneath my eyebrows, on my nose and a little bit on my lips. And I set my face and we're done with this look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you love to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section. I love you all. Bye.